time no see. This is Sam Mello from ShotgunShellProducts. It's been a while. Yeah. I would like to apologize, we would like to apologize for not doing any new videos. But don't worry, we didn't break up. We're back, and we're ready for Season 2. Season 1 is finished. We're, ready. We're back. Shotgun for life. And besides, we have Shotgun Shell Products DVD. See that? Season 1. It's all finished. I hope you fans are doing good. If you are, then good. Well, anytime you want to keep in touch with us, just do myspace.com/ShotgunShellProducts. Remember that. And you can keep in touch anytime you want. And if you want to do any video responses, then go right ahead, because I can probably approve, and we would love video responses and more comments and stuff. And yeah. Well, just wanted to send this message. Remember, shotgun for life.